If you're just joining us now,
Hello, idam kim tekia. Tua video tomno kongbol no pen hi California meikang toki sai mo. Tulai taka aki mo ma hi pasien aza ko nau mo pasien achamu inau ahoi lo dan. Ha hi video tomno khat en khom di ni. Pasien pen thusim lo jiao mo. Tua hanga hi California pen hi za takina meito a kang hi ding hi pasienin dan pia hi chi sangina pasienin dal non lo mo pasienin mapan pi non lo imanina hidanina akang hi ding hi chi akilamin ma hi en khom nele
why? Why now? What took you so long? Anyway, it's time for our mid-show recap, and I'm here on the floor with all of my peers. Just go with it. And this is so exciting because everywhere you look, there's a Fanning, Elle, Dakota, Peyton.
Hi pen chamu abol mo en sok lai ni
The air is thick with the smell of signature fragrances and the lingering stench of ballroom salmon.
pasien pen aza pi nau
Ballroom Salmon is actually the name of Stanley Tucci's new cologne, now available at Buca di Beppo. So
hi tanga hi golden gloves achi na bel mi hau teng mo ke hi ken ka thei bel hi the rock mo rock na pa na rock mo bel thei atang mel tam thei lo king ina mi hau teng aki tun to na mo in lai ni
much has already happened in the first half, and the acceptance speeches have been on fire. Who got shouted out the most? Let's look at the numbers. All right, cast and crew are leading the way with 11 mentions. Moms are holding strong.
le tung van tung pen kwa bol hiam cha amat apyak na mo ton hi tanga castle cross china som la khat nga mam chin anu ten thum nga en so ni
With 3 shout-outs, God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions. And Mario Lopez, host of Access Hollywood, 1. All right. No surprise in this godless town. The room has been buzzing, and there's been a lot of talk about comebacks, right? Like Pamela Anderson and Demi Moore, and who just won. And it turns out, if you're a woman over 50 in a lead role, they call it a comeback. If you're a guy over 50 in a lead role, congratulations, you're about to play Sydney Sweeney's boyfriend. Well, that's it for the first half, and we're still nowhere near to picking a new pope. Tedesco's still in the lead with 31 votes. This table gets it. Please welcome our next presenters from Captain America, Brave New World.
ก็จังจิเนียนี่นะpasien pen iza api lo ding thu pi mo chon hi it asol lo ajinga thaya pen hi California ong kang pa je je ai ve ni na pasien pen che mui na izat lo ding to thu pi ma chi ten khan sa nga hangi lung tam ma tu na aka na them chilak in lai ni yo ko chi phel hiam chi khat en khom di ni na er kop tha khong to ma leng khong to phel je je oi ve to na leng pen phel zo lo tu ni dong chang pen phel zo hi chi nging nai lo mo toy na tu ni chang pen mi si pen mi som le mi khat thata chi
It appears that home is quite a ways uphill. It's on a driveway and it's on a hill.
mi
There's a
mang
lot of
pen
brush
som
around
le thum
that
ko
home.
ki chang
And
in
the homes
pen
next to it are good.
ur som le
They're
tu
not that
ni
far
dal
away,
sa
but
kin
they're
tang kin mo
downhill. There's a good distance from them. So hopefully,
in tu
with
som le
all of
tu
these
ni chi
airdrops
pen
and
ton
the
ki mo
airdrops on the property
kang
itself,
kin
trying
ye
to knock down some of the heat
to chiang in
from that
amei
fire.
kang
You see it kind of being, obscured
mei
by
kat
smoke
na
at the
jong
point
alai
because
ki lai chi mo lai ki lai na
well, hopefully,
na
a
siap
lot of
tok
that
ma
smoke
ma
is
lai
coming from the
tu
water
dong
drops on the flanks of the fire
a
a
phel
little
zo
to the north of
ung
here. That's
chi
why we're seeing a lot more
ngen nam nai lo
smoke.
mo
It's kind of
to hi
a
na
white smoke or a
i
gray smoke, so
global
not that
glove
dark black smoke that we were
pasien za
seeing
pi
a little bit
ko
earlier. But to answer your question
tua tung
specifically,
to
it looks
na
like
hi da na
most
pasien no
there
kem non
aren't
lo
any
hi
homes
ding
that
hi
would be
chi
next to
akilamin
that
ma
home
ma
that
hi
is
chi
burning. So
to ngen
hopefully,
no me nge lung da
firefighters can
vet
hold
sak
it
te tung
there
nam
and
ma ma
prevent it from
follow
attacking anything
subscribe
else
ni sak na na
in the Mandible
thu me
Canyon
nge
area.
to pa thu pa bye bye